how to clay bar your car. Now come in here so I can show you guys what it sounds like when you need to clay your car. Now this is after being washed. You hear that? If your car sounds like sandpaper like this, definitely need to clay bar your car. This is a clay bar. Let's take a look at it. So it's gonna come in a little rectangle bar, and what you want to do is flatten it just like this. Just take your fingers and flatten it, knead it. But we want this to have a flat surface, and then what you're gonna do is take the clay lube, you're gonna spray it onto the panel. We're just gonna do this little section so we can see a difference. And I also spray on the clay as well. And we're gonna come in here and just go in straight lines. It's not a difficult task right here. It's just removing these contaminants by this clay bar rubbing up against the paint. And these contaminants get trapped into the clay bar. Hopefully you guys can hear that, but it's starting to get a lot smoother, sound smoother, feel smoother. And this is super important to make sure our wax sticks. Make sure you guys are spraying a liberal amount. And make sure you guys don't do this while the car is dry. We want to make sure, like I said, like there's some type of lubrication on here. So let's flip the clay bar. Guys, look at that. That's after washing. See that? This is why it's so vital to clay your car. Because if you try and put wax on this thing or try and polish, this contamination right here is going to fly right back into the pad. It's going to go, trust me, it's not good that you do this. So you need to make sure you guys clay your car. Guys, look at that. Now, even more is coming off, guys. That's probably the worst I've seen. We're gonna wipe this off now. And we're gonna take our hand. See, now we can't barely hear it. We're gonna come over here now, slide over here. Guys, unbelievable. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a comment, share, save this post, check out our product at salesbox.com. We have our semi-annual sale going on now.